Welcome back everyone. Today I have got a brand new video for all of you guys. You may have seen it from the intro where I have the cool Respring animation on my device. So I would like to show you how you can get it on your iOS 14 and your iOS 13. So it is very simple. Make sure your device is jailbroken. But if you are new to jailbreak and if you haven't had a jailbroken device, so you can jailbreak your device by following the tutorial in my video description. You can find the link there. So I also include the link how to jailbreak. Now firstly, you can just simply go to Cydia. So I'm gonna launch Cydia here, and after that you can just simply go to search and you can search for give to enemy. You can simply go ahead and install. Now for this one, it also support on iOS 14, so you don't need to worry about that. You can simply hit on modify and then hit on install, but because I have already installed it before, I can just simply hit on reinstall and then I can just confirm. And after that, it should ask me to respring my device. I can simply hit on respring, restart Springboard. Now after you go back to your lock screen, you need to download a cool animation for your Respring. So you can simply go to Safari here, and then you can go to this link. You can find this link in my video description, and after you go to this link, scroll all the way down, and you're gonna find a ton of cool animation here. So you can select your favorite one, and there are many of them that you can select. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try this one where I can simply hold on like that. Then you're gonna see the button add to photos. You can simply hit on it, and now you can just simply go back to settings. So I'm gonna go to settings here, then I can scroll all the way down, and I'm gonna find the tweak called give to enemy here. Then you need to select the animation that you have just saved to your photo. So hit on this one, and then it's gonna pop up your camera roll, and you can select your animation that you have saved. So I'm gonna select this one that I have just saved at the moment. I can simply hit on choose. Now it is done. Now whenever you respring your device, you should be able to see that cool animation, and as you can see here, so there are many more that you can try from Safari that I link it to you, so you can find it here. Now I'm gonna try this one. I can hold and save one more time. Then I can simply go back to settings, go to give to enemy. Then I can select the give, and I can pick the last one that I have just saved. Click on choose. Now I can simply restart the Springboard, and you can see we have a cool animation. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and for those of you that want to get the theme and the wallpaper, I always include in my video description, so you can download the latest wallpaper from the new Apple events.